This is Rob with Florida's Coolest Air Conditioning. We're going to go over how to clean out your drain. I see a lot of Facebook messages about how their thermostat goes blank in the summer and they wonder what's going on. So I figured I'd give a little tutorial on how to clean your own drain out. If you look up here, your drain should have a T with a cap on it. If not, it's something that we could put in for you. But this is to flush while you're sucking from the outside with a shop vac. This is your primary drain. Next to the drain, you have a float switch. That is what causes, this is what causes the thermostat to go blank, because it actually will float up if this backs up, and it'll cause it to cut off the power to your thermostat. Let's go outside. Properly suck out your drain, you want to take a shop vac. Hook it, you got to find the drain. It'll come out of the house somewhere on the, usually on the same side of where the air handler is. What we do is we just hook up the shop vac, we let it run, and as we're letting it run, we come back inside and we flush with water. So it's actually pushing all the buildup and anything that's gotten stuck in there. It's pushing and pulling at the same time. It's best if you can use hot water. The hotter the water, the better, but if not hot water, then regular water is fine. We'll go see what we get. It is really important to actually backfill the pipe. It's called priming it. If you don't do that, it will not drain properly. This is what we got out of the drain. This one's pretty clean. We actually maintenance this one every 6 months, so this one was probably sucked out 6 months ago, so this one is fairly decent. They get much worse than this, but this is just a little tip to help you save some money. Thank you.